Welcome to just another day in Ontario where we now have freezing rain. So not only do we have snow, you can't see the sky because of the white clouds. You got all the herfrost that is now frozen to the trees, and you have snow plows looking after the roads. Thank goodness. What a crazy, crazy winter. There's tons of rain that's going to be coming down. And it's going to be freezing because right now it is -1. It fluctuates between -1 and 0 Celsius. So that's like 32 Fahrenheit. But wow, this is just, I don't know. A nice relaxing drive behind a snowplow as the rain just keeps coming. It's about, I don't know, 1:30. So how was your Christmas? Hopefully Santa was good. Everyone got what they wanted. Or didn't get anything and just got to hang out with family. So I am north of Orangeville on Highway 10, approaching Primrose. So two of the busiest burger joints, obviously not Weber's, because Weber's is like the craziest, busiest one, but on the west and northwest end of Ontario, you've got Champs and Superburger. And apparently this intersection at Highway 89 and Highway 10 is one of the busiest. This is the gateway to Bruce County, Grey County, Collingwood, Blue Mountain. Welcome to Primrose. Both Champ Burger and Super Burger are open today. This is just fun times. This is going to be an absolute disaster when it all freezes. And there's so much more to come. It's not going to stop until, I think, 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. That's the thing about Ontario. You really don't know what you're going to get with the weather. It changes so rapidly. And we have such a mixed bag of crazy, nasty weather. People live in the country and they live on back roads and you get freezing rain, it's not a very pleasant experience. They'll come by and they'll sand it, but that's about it. Main roads they'll salt and sand. You get on those country roads and all you're going to get is a bunch of sand, which is fine, but just driving is so difficult in the country when you got crappy weather like this. You can see off in the distance, that's the snowplow. It's one truck and they have this arm that comes down and it spans another lane. The craziest thing, -1 and it's just rain. I wonder how many trees are going to come down with this one, because we had an ice storm in April and it just ruined so many trees. In some parts of Ontario, the power was out for like 2 weeks. If you like these videos, maybe think about liking, subscribing, commenting. Let me know your thoughts. Do you live in Ontario? Do you like the crazy weather we get? Do you want to move somewhere else? I don't know. Throw it down below. I'd love to know your thoughts and your feelings. I'm going to make my way up to Collingwood after I've spent a day around the Orangeville, Mono, and Shelburne area. I feel the ice falling off my car. So like I always say, get out and explore Ontario, because it's yours to discover. I think I gotta go to Timmy's and grab a coffee. Until the next one. See ya.